I'm going to brew a batch of beer today, and I figured before I get going on that, I'll show you my latest trash treasure item here. I got, one of my neighbors was throwing this bad boy out in the trash, and I like, well, I can certainly use that. So I took my barley crusher, cut a hole in the top of this, and this used to be a rolling filing cabinet on the bottom and a drawer on the top. I got rid of the drawer, and my bucket's in here, close to the top. And then I just rigged up a little strap on the trigger of the drill. Get that going. Pour the grains in. Trash to treasure. Thanks for watching.